Good evening, Dr. Ame. We are from Group 3 would like to present about HVAC Air Handling Unit. My name is Pavitra Kanagalingam, TC18074, and my partner is Nurul Ashikin binti Azaha, TC18079. To begin, air handling units, which usually have the acronym of AHU, are found in medium to large commercial and industrial buildings. Air handling units condition and distribute air within a building. They also take fresh ambient air from outside, clean it, heat it and cool it, maybe humidify it, and then pass it through some ductwork around the design areas within a building.
For introduction, an air handling unit is a machine that conditions and circulates air in a house or building. AHU are components of complete heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. AHU are large metallic boxes comprising of a blower, filter racks, sound attenuators to reduce noise, and cooling and also heating coils. It is connected to the HVAC ductwork. AHU are installed inside and outside of building, with a rooftop being common for the latter. While commonly known as the large machines, it should be noted that AHU come in different size and with a range of configurations.
Air handling units can be used to recirculate a proportion of stale air within a building. They also include heat recovery, recovering heat from return air and using it to warm this.
Okay, principles of air handling unit. An air handler consists of a fan blowing air through a filter and heat exchanger. Most air handlers bring in some outside air to ensure that there is always clean, fresh air in the space and not the same recycled air repeatedly. Filtration is one of the key aspects of an air handler because of the cleaning the air does the two things. It helps prevent mechanical issues from particle build up and also improve the air quality inside your home.
There are some parts of air handler such as air handler fan, air filter, heat exchanger coil, control valve, air damper and ductwork. Air handler fan is to move air through the air handler. Air filter's job is to clean the unconditioned air. Heat exchanger coils condition the air that passes through it. The purpose of control valve is to control the amount of water or gas that flows through the coil. Air damper is to control the amount of airflow going through the air handler. Ductwork are passages that are used to move air between the air handler and the conditioned space.
The air filtration process, they are screening, initial inspection, interception, diffusion, and also electrostatic attraction.
Some types of air filters are fiberglass filter, high efficiency particulate arrestant filters, polyester and pleated filters, and also washable air filters.
The importance of air filtration in HVAC system, it protects vehicle and furniture, extending shelf life, and also reduce maintenance costs. For the calculation, the air is processed in the AHU at 180 m by cooling, dehumidification, and heating. Air enters the system at 28 Celsius and 95% relative humidity with a volumetric flow rate of 500 meter cube per minute. The air leaves at 22 Celsius, 40% relative humidity. Determine the rate of cooling by the coils, the rate of water condense, and the temperature of the air immediately after the cooling coils. Okay, from the psychometric chart, we can get the information for H1, W1, H2, W2, and can calculate using the formula Q equals to ME H1 minus H2, then get the answer 37,533.44 kilojoule per minute. For the rate of water condense, by using formula MW equals to MA W1 minus W2, and get the answer 9.85 kilogram per minute. And the temperature of the air immediately after the cooling coils, the value are from the psychrometric chart. Dark system and also good airflow. Since the AHU is the central unit that moves the air throughout the ductwork, it is important to make sure that nothing obstructs the airflow through the air handler. The next most common problem that can occur is a failure of a blower motor, whether it can be blower motor or something else that can cause the blower motor to fail. The next one is most of the issue described can be avoided with proper filter maintenance. Even the blower motor failure can be enhanced by bad airflow resulting from no regular filter maintenance. It makes the motor work harder, creating more heat and pulling more amperage, which cause you more electricity cost. The dirt from the dust builds up also hurt the motor and creates more heat, which can then detrimental effect on the motor. Consequently, the lesson is to keep a good clean filter in the system, and we can reduce any problem that may occur with your air handler.
Okay, for the suggestion part, the air handling unit must be tight to avoid leakage, minimize heat gains and losses from the air handler. It also needs to be assist in reducing noise by providing sound attenuation.
For the conclusion, an air handling unit is used to recondition and recirculate air as part of a heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system. The most important function of the AHU is to take in outside air, recondition, and supply it as fresh air to a building. An AHU designed for outdoor use, typically on roof, is also known as a rooftop unit (RTU). That's all from our group. Thank you.